Did you know that one sweet potato contains over double the daily recommended intake of vitamin A? Now that's a superfood. Often sweet potatoes get a bad rap, seen only as a sugary side dish for holiday feasts or a topping for marshmallow-laden casseroles. But there's so much more to these vibrant roots. Packed with nutrients and antioxidants, sweet potatoes are a health enthusiast's dream. They're a natural powerhouse of vitamins, especially vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune system. But that's not all. These humble golden gems are also a great source of fiber, helping to keep your gut happy and healthy. So let's debunk the myth that sweet potatoes are just an unhealthy treat. They are, in fact, a superfood in disguise, deserving a regular spot on your plate. So next time you think about sweet potatoes, remember they are much more than just a side dish at Thanksgiving. Sweet potatoes are not just rich in vitamin A, they are a powerhouse of several other essential nutrients. Now let's take a deep dive into this vibrant, versatile root. It's not just about the vitamin A, although sweet potatoes are a stellar source of it. No, these humble roots are a veritable smorgasbord of health-boosting compounds. For starters, they're packed with fiber. And we're not talking measly amounts here. One medium-sized sweet potato can provide about 15% of your daily recommended fiber intake. Now that's nothing to scoff at. Fiber, as we know, plays a pivotal role in our digestive health, helping to keep things moving along, if you catch my drift. But wait, there's more. Sweet potatoes don't stop at fiber, they're also chock full of antioxidants. These fabulous compounds help fight off those pesky free radicals that can wreak havoc on our bodies. Antioxidants are like the body's own personal cleanup crew, helping keep things running smoothly and efficiently. And let's not forget about the minerals. Sweet potatoes are a good source of essential minerals like potassium and magnesium. These minerals help keep our heart healthy and our muscles working correctly. They're like the unsung heroes of our bodies, quietly keeping everything in balance. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the cultural significance of sweet potatoes. In many cultures, they've been a staple food for centuries. In Polynesia, for example, sweet potatoes have been grown for over 1,000 years. They're used in everything from main dishes to desserts, showcasing their versatility and importance in the culinary world. On the other side of the globe, in North Carolina, they celebrate the sweet potato with an annual festival. Talk about sweet potato love. So, whether you're whipping up a classic sweet potato pie or trying out a new exotic recipe, remember, you're not just cooking with a tasty root, you're unlocking a nutrient powerhouse. In a nutshell, sweet potatoes are a treasure trove of nutrients that are beneficial for our health. But wait, there's more to sweet potatoes than you may think. Often pigeonholed as a side dish for Thanksgiving, the humble sweet potato is a culinary chameleon, capable of taking on various roles in your meal plan. Did you know that sweet potatoes can swing both ways? Yes, you heard that right. They can be the star of both sweet and savory dishes, from crispy sweet potato fries, creamy soups, to decadent pies and even smoothies. These vibrant tubers add a splash of color and a nutritional punch to any dish. In the world of baking, sweet potatoes are a game changer. Their natural sweetness and moist texture make them an excellent addition to baked goods like breads, muffins, and pancakes. Not to mention, they make a fantastic butter alternative for those watching their intake of fats. And here's a fun fact for you. Ever heard of sweet potato leaves? While not as popular as the potato root itself, these leaves are a common ingredient in many Asian cuisines. They're packed with nutrients and have a unique, slightly sweet flavor. Talk about making the most out of your vegetable. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into the health aspect. Sweet potatoes are not just about the taste. They are a critical part of a balanced diet. They are packed with vitamins A and C, both of which are essential for a strong immune system. They are also a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. But that's not all. Sweet potatoes are also rich in antioxidants that protect your body from free radicals, which are harmful compounds that can cause damage to your cells. So, whether you prefer them baked, mashed, or even made into noodles, sweet potatoes are a versatile and nutritious addition to your meals. Remember, it's not just about eating healthy, it's about enjoying what you eat. And with sweet potatoes, you get the best of both worlds. Sweet potatoes are not just versatile, they are a critical component of a balanced diet. Now that we know about the benefits, how can we incorporate sweet potatoes into our daily meals? Well, it's easier than you might think. Sweet potatoes are not only nutritious, but they are also incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. From breakfast to dinner and everything in between, sweet potatoes can easily find a place on your plate. Let's start with breakfast, the meal that kicks off your day. How about a sweet potato hash? Just cube your sweet potatoes, toss them in a pan with a little oil, and season with your favorite herbs and spices. Add some onions and bell peppers for an added burst of flavor and nutrition. Pair this with a poached egg, and you've got yourself a breakfast that's not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. For lunch, consider a sweet potato salad. This isn't your typical salad. It's a hearty dish that will keep you full and satisfied. Simply roast some sweet potato cubes until they're nice and crispy. Toss them with some leafy greens, a protein of your choice, and a tangy vinaigrette. The sweet and savory flavors will surely make your taste buds dance with delight. Now, moving on to dinner. Sweet potatoes can be a great substitute for regular potatoes in your favorite dishes. Think sweet potato fries, mashed sweet potatoes, or even a sweet potato casserole. The possibilities are endless. But wait, we can't forget about dessert? Yes, you heard it right. Sweet potatoes can also be used in desserts. Ever heard of sweet potato pie or sweet potato brownies? These are just a few examples of how sweet potatoes can satisfy your sweet tooth in a healthier way. And let's not forget about snacks. Sweet potato chips are a healthier alternative to regular potato chips. Just slice your sweet potatoes thinly, toss them in a little oil and your favorite spices, and bake until crispy. It's a simple and healthy snack that you can enjoy anytime. The beauty of sweet potatoes is that they can be prepared in a myriad of ways. You can bake, boil, roast, steam, or even microwave them. They can be sliced, diced, mashed, or eaten whole. And the best part, they can be enjoyed all year round. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet doesn't require any drastic changes. It's as simple as swapping out less healthy options with this nutrient-dense superfood. And with their sweet, creamy texture and rich flavor, you'll be wondering why you didn't make the switch sooner. Remember, while sweet potatoes are indeed a superfood, it's important to consume them as part of a balanced diet. As with everything, moderation is key. So, consult your healthcare professional if you're considering making any significant changes to your diet. With these tips and recipes, there's no excuse not to include this superfood in your diet. So, why wait? Start incorporating sweet potatoes into your meals today and reap the many health benefits that they have to offer. So, what's the final word on sweet potatoes? Let's take a moment to digest all the delicious information we've unearthed. Sweet potatoes have proven themselves to be a true superfood, packed with an impressive array of vitamins and antioxidants. These vibrant roots are a power player in any diet, contributing to our overall health and wellness. We've peeled back the misconceptions and discovered the sweet truth. Sweet potatoes are a versatile ingredient that can be baked, steamed, grilled, or mashed. Their natural sweetness can be a delight in both savory and sweet dishes, making them an excellent addition to our daily meals. Beyond their versatility in the kitchen, sweet potatoes offer a bounty of health benefits. From supporting our immune system to promoting healthy skin and vision, these humble tubers truly pack a punch. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook this nutritional powerhouse. Remember, the secret to good health could be as simple as a sweet potato. Now it's your turn to join the sweet potato revolution. We're not just talking about boiling or baking these tubers. They're more versatile than you might think. Have you tried them in a smoothie? What about a sweet potato pie or even sweet potato toast? The possibilities are endless. We'd love to hear how you're incorporating this superfood into your daily meals. Share your favorite sweet potato recipes in the comments below. While you're at it, why not broaden your horizons even further? We have another video on healthy eating habits that's chock full of tips, tricks, and ideas to help you lead a healthier lifestyle. It's never too late to make a change, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And remember, health is wealth.